What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco. I'm back with another video today. Yeah, man. And today we're checking out, is 1Biggs the worst artist in dancehall? Let's get it. What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco. I'm back with another banger, guys. You already seen what time it is. Yeah, man. People from the title and the intro already told you what we're checking out today. Yeah, man, guys. Today we're reacting to a video from none other than Terror Dan. Yeah, man. He got a video that's crazy. He got a crazy video that's crazy about a dancehall artist that everyone know. A dancehall artist went viral. And that bus out going viral on TikTok. That everybody had high hopes for. Everybody thought it was gonna be like that new hit artist, boy. You know what I'm saying? But Terror Dan make a video actually exposing this artist. It's called OMG. 1Biggs Dan is the worst artist to ever do music. Damn, that's crazy. That's quite a title. You know what I'm saying? That's quite an allegation to statement to make, you know, without proof or something to back it up. You know what I'm saying? Wipe on the backup thing. But you know what I'm saying? Without evidence to support what you're saying. So you know what I'm saying? This video gotta be crazy, cause you know Terror Dan, you know, Terror Dan probably wouldn't say something like this if he never have feeling like it's true or have some proof for that. So we're gonna check it out and see what go on. You know what I'm saying? People are gonna find out if he actually is the worst artist in a dancehall or if he just needs some guidance. You know what I'm saying? So without further ado, we're gonna jump right in the track. And yo, if you're on the channel, you're supposed to know what to do by now. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Do yourself a favor. You know this is the latest videos on YouTube. Come on, man. Why you doing yourself like that? Come on, hit that like and subscribe button. You don't know. I jump right now. Is 1Biggs Dan the worst artist to do music? Shit, let's find out. Let's see what Terror got to say.
Fucking up his street, I'm flipping up it. Again, I made the feel full of cash.
John was star. Them youth make DJ thing look hard.
Flipping up his street, I'm flipping up it, cash.
Why you had to pause? Why you had to pause the video and put tears on the man though? That's crazy.
I made the feel full of back again.
Boo!
Me don't know me as again. Can't pick up.
Them no see the little fool, them can't find song. Bobby me drop in a studio and gaze in a space.
Press out.
Not the cartel. Not the cartel. Damn.
Big daddy.
Not the Kevin Hart me, bro. You're not for do the man like damn.
V6 we are 350 cylinder. Batty boy.
Terror Dan, I'm a lot the place, you know. I'm here the best review.
Jano star. Big woman thing. Me never.
Yo, big up Terror Dan. Dog been doing this for a long time. You see me been doing this YouTube and review stuff for a long time. So shout out to Terror. You know, I've been doing reviews on music and other stuff and entertainment, everything that's around dancehall and a whole. So a lot of time, man, he's now a producer and stuff. So yeah, man, when it comes to music, he does have, you know, a history in music and have some sort of sense of what music and artists about. So when you making allegations like this, sometimes, you know, it's crazy. I have to see. Let's see what I'm have to say. You know what I'm saying? But damn.
I think me gonna make a video like this for now. But I just said go. Biggs. One of the worst dancehall artists to ever do it. Ego bigger than Biggs belly. And
Damn. That's when man start that video. Biggs, one of the worst dancehall artists to ever do music, bro. That's when man start that video. Damn.
that time me and Don falling at the music. You see me I say? Really and
Man saying ego alone bigger than him belly. God damn.
truly, the people them did happy with him at first. But now him push up him ego like
That's
when
true.
time a person belly full or when time a girl pregnant.
That's true. That's not true. The people did love that. Love 1Biggs Dan. That's one thing. In fact, the people bust 1Biggs Dan. So you know, say people them did love him. You see him from out even little freestyler to TikTok. People them bust him. So the people did love 1Biggs Dan. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, me see a little, me don't know about that thing. See a little thing on TikTok and, you know, Instagram without drive up and press out this. But
It is what
you know
his
what I'm
ego
saying?
is like. Yeah. Him ego then are the way of everything. Plus him not talented to compensate for it.
Damn.
You see if him the talented to compensate.
Yo. But damn, Terror makes some wicked like Terror say, yo, the man ego. I am done fall and the problem is he not even talented enough to compensate for him ego. God damn. Damn, so you actually say that not talented enough, like the confidence him having in himself, you know, having the arrogance and everything. If you calm down, kind of that, damn. Son.
See it for him ego. people and bypass it.
Yeah.
But for have ego without talent, it don't make no sense.
That's
Big's
a fact.
career just start and Biggs can't find a next song. That didn't even make no sense, bro. I know a lot of people are going to say,
the top and craft. When you have the top and craft, people are overlooking behavior in a sense. You see more thing when you know what I'm saying? But when you just start and you wild out like that, people are looking like, nigga, I want it.
bad mind. You're too corrupt. Oh, you stay so we are fight the youth for. No, it's not fight. Remember, say a musical love, we no love man. I went to see fuck you go on the business, we not allow it for pass, yeah? Just like come and say, a person at the business we are going good, I'm say.
We not call it fight or bad man or how long as you have evidence and have like legitimate reason to say what you're saying. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
you
that
know
youth
what
are
I'm
bad.
saying? But if you have no none for back up your statements or no reason to be saying this, then can't be looked at like but if I have proof, let's see what you have to say.
Can't point out the one them when no bad to you know. I don't know hard feelings. Me not have nothing against nobody. You see me I say, it's just me. I'm gonna talk it as it is, me not go run a corner. Me see Biggs run gang put on spot upon him and him a follow skeng. What that say? What the sense? What the sense? Where are your brand? Where you represent? Sparta your thing there? Nothing wrong with that. Family are good youth.
That's a fact.
You see me?
That's one thing, you know, me I say, you know, everybody have them little thing. You see me? When you notice the artists them don't have them little thing or them little group or them little corner, they not really big like that. If you know it is, you know, everybody have them thing, you know. Look at the big artists them that's doing it. Them have little thing. You know, Skilly have East Side. You know what I'm saying? Skeng have Ratty Gang, big artist. Valiant have Diplomat, big artist. But all the artists them don't really have a you know, have them own little faction, them own little group, a little. You know what I'm saying? All them not really do good. Nobody don't know where you really stand for, where your motive there, and where you try to achieve. I really talk. Popcorn have Unruly, Cartel have Gaza. You don't know what time it is. Movado have Gully. Yeah, you see, you know what I'm saying? Even both here blow Alliance. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, any artists have them look, but Biggs done when you come home, you don't know where that thing there. Oh, 1Biggs group or Dan group. So you know where that thing there. Yeah, so we understand what Terror say. You know what I'm saying?
Me see all the next man gonna turn Tamale bodyguard. Left music, you know. Gonna turn.
And that was not good look though. You're in a Sparta, you're in a tattoo Sparta for you. What kind of thing that? You see me, I love man that. You don't understand, but like Dog said, Tamale a big OG in that game, you know. You see me? So, and a good youth side. So if you want to be part of Sparta clan, that's a good group to be a part of. But if you're not in there, just account tattoo things, brother, come on, where you the point? We don't know where your mind is, big time. You see me? We don't know if you try to be big artist, you try to win a Grammy, I just try to buy 2 soda and couple tire for the blood clot here, and me see a revolt every day. We don't know where your meds there, you see me? Because we don't see you put in a work like you try to achieve something, you see me? You don't see you on social media every day, of course. And you know, drive up on car and, you know, rims out and burn out and all these things, which nothing wrong if you enjoy life. Nothing wrong with that, but we get out there, we don't know where your direction and music there. You see me, and then we not see you put in the work and in videos like this surfing up where you can't even freestyle, so you know talent. Yeah man, I kind of see what I say with the talent, the lady if you pay for the arrogance, or the, you know what I'm saying, and the ego. But go ahead.
Family bodyguard. Me see the man left music, not Biggs. Me see man left music, go turn Tamale bag boy.
Cha.
Me soon go up on film case, you know. I don't feel like all him escape, you know.
Ja know,
but I feel like him escape, you know. You hear me?
I have artists I left. Music, go turn Tamale bag boy. That's crazy.
Tell you right now, him go there and say,
that's crazy. Let me say, yo.
Blood clot terror, John.
Let me say, either you don't believe in yourself, you're lazy, you're not talented or something. Because if you're an artist, and they're on such a big artist, you see me, you quit artist if you go turn bag boy, man. And you don't believe in yourself, man. Because if they're an artist like that, you see me, they must can do something to get one feature. That's why you don't do no folly. But you must, you see me, and dog no rate you enough to say, you give you one feature, or teach you 2 things. Or you not say, make you learn 2 things, or do something to get a feature, bro. You know what I'm saying? Lazy, no one put in no work, man. Don't feel like everything is dropping all that, bro. Easy life, no one. You see me, that's why, man, man, you know, you see me, bend on up. I tell them say they're a big artist and rather go turn bag boy, because bag boy easier than go put in some work. Come on, you give up on your dream. Nah,
sorry, what me do? I saw it.
I
left on a good career and go turn bag boy and blood clad was cheerleader. You know? Couldn't go on, man.
Cheerleader.
Biggs, you fall with your boy Afi. Zin?
Boy, Afi.
And then you cuss everybody with your fans. Tell them say, so what if me have my one song? So what? So what? And the people that make you have that song, brother.
That's a fact.
You feel like say you can make the song it?
That a fact. And the people them get a song there, brother. Hey shit. If people then say, yo, want a song there? The song there would never touch tonight, bro. Big man thing. So you have to remember that.
First of all, you're not talented, and me know you're supposed to know by now. You're supposed to can differentiate a talented artist. You're there in the studio. You take 40 hours for find one line.
Bumbo clean. Damn, Terry, I go in for the dog. You know. Me understand say you have Terror. The only thing me have about this Terror. You see me, there's a difference between whenever I say sitting there criticism, what they call it? Practical criticism. What do you call it? Constructive criticism. It's a practical. Yeah, Terror. That's the only thing me have about it. You have a thing between constructive criticism and when you try bash or bring down you. You see me? Now, if you say this to bring down for try construct him and criticize him so he can improve, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. But yeah, we can appreciate that and say, yeah man, that good for criticize somebody and give them points so he can be better. But when you're laying that later and so thick dark, you see me sound like a bashy dog, you see, because right now if me a big son and me hear this, me probably go ball. You see me, dog? But me see Terror that me know is a youth when it comes to the music and the culture. You see me? You actually love the music and the culture, you have good intentions. You see me? Even though sometimes you come off harsh. But that's all me have to say still, you see me? And then again when I'm a man, so nigga big son if you know your feelings, go to your feelings. But Terror, you kinda come off harsh on the dog still.
You really think say yourself is talented? You really feel like say you a bad artist? Your career just start. Zane, you're young same way. And your brain not refresh enough. Where you can find lyrics, brother.
Jano,
Monster make, you buy.
Monster
make more. You buy more. Everyone love.
Me can agree with the point of Terror make. You see me career just start, nigga. You're young and you're fresh, brother. And I like say you hold up, brain and shut down and you smoke weed for decades upon decades. You're a young fresh youth, man, and you're artist career just start. You see me? Supposed to can find lyrics, man, and vibes, man. Supposed to young and I live life, you can find lyrics and vibes, 1 tree like that. You see me I say?
Brother.
And you're an artist.
Fucking up the street I mean, again. I'm a duff.
But
full of bag again.
Yeah man, if you have studio for 40 or do, brother. You find one line.
Brother, I want to make DJ thing hard, brother.
Must over-exaggerate, Terror, over-exaggerate.
Nobody gonna tell you. Them gonna say, yo, you never disappoint them yet, but me I tell you, disappoint everybody.
Jaja.
Me I tell you the truth, so you disappoint everybody.
Terror funny, you know. Terror funny, you know. Terror say, you know, so the comments, them, you know, where I say you never disappoint nobody yet, me I tell you straight, to disappoint everybody. Do you know that this damn annoying comment people will be making on every video on YouTube will be like, oh, this artist never disappointed his fans yet. This artist, that's what Terror referring to. You see me, I know it's a Big Zan drop a music video today. I go see the comment there and that video say, oh, Big Zan never disappoint his fans. But Terror say, yo, nigga, fuck that. And I tell her, say, nigga, you disappoint everybody. Not just your fans. You see me, not just the people that dance our music, but everybody, nigga, from baby, unborn, and dead. Jano. Terror, easy, man, easy. You can't easy think on the dog, you know, dog.
Everybody. You see me? You is one of the worst today. You're not the worst, but you're one of the worst. Okay. To be honest, whoever do this music, yeah. Big woman thing.
That no much
Big
better.
Can look at her cup of tastes, brother. People, me no want to no feel like say nobody can program my thing and how to talk about a specific topic. Me see this and it's a shame and disgrace on the direction where Big Zach carry dancehall. Big Zach heavy down dancehall and fuck it up, brother. Me I tell you straight. People, me I go play that video there.
Man, Big Zach heavy down dancehall. Fuck it up. Man say Big Zach heavy down dancehall and fuck it up. Damn, bro.
No family at phone own an opinion. Everybody say I'm me are the problem. I'm me bad mind, right? I'm me bad mind. So I play the video. And uno family at phone own opinion and tell me what uno think. If you don't feel like say him can work on him craft or what. You see me? But you know the thing, for your body, if you're not bad, I just say it, go, I just that. Me I tell you as it is, me not go around the corner. Me not try if you play no pretty and pretty. You see me? If you're not good, you're not good, bro.
Good, bro.
You see me? And at the end of the day,
bro,
I'm just gonna be me. Big, stop cause your fans them and go find Sang G.
Again.
Real talk. The part that me can support. You see, Terror? Yeah, man. You can't be the harsh man. Some of them, me not say you're not telling lie or you're far from the truth, you know. Me not say that. But what I'm saying is, the one that me can agree with your pan, brother. Stop cause your fan them, brother, and go find Sean. I know you alone still now. I know you alone deserve to get cussed and care of Terror if you mention, because certain artists out there where people they have no hopes for. Right now, should I call him? Now one of them name will rhyme with Kisco. You see me? Yeah, rhyme with my name. I got my name is Jambisco, you know, but I will never be that guy, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, man, they have no hopes, brother. People, yeah, man, they have one of the biggest songs. About 2021? 2022? Come on, man. Where you there? You're gone, nigga. You're blowing out your ear like Lil Durk. I want to see you. No more. Yeah, man. No for the artists that out there too, man. We have no hopes and you just gone, so, man. We need to work on the thing, come back. You see me? Family don't think properly. No watch if nobody in a bash, you know, just go need to go in, back in, family and step out back proper. That's it, you know. That's it.
I'm dripping on me like bitch in a shit. I'm dripping on me though, I'm bitch in a fit. Dripping on me like bitch in a shit, but fucking up his street and me flipping up his grandmammy.
Yeah, what tell her this still. Big Zan is definitely not the worst, cause bro, you do have a sound, bro. You have a sound and a flow that people like. You know what I'm saying? But the fact, look like you're not in practice, bro. You don't look like you're right down nothing. You know what I'm saying? No. Me now, if this alone, the clip alone, me wouldn't use Bashy Dog, cause artist does this. You know what I'm saying? Artists going with no punch in and punch out type thing. You know them, they're not right down, they come off of the dome. But when artists do this, at least they can find 2 to 3, maybe 4 sentences there before them have to pass, brother. You see me, I said 2-3 words and you did it, try, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, sometimes it's hard. Sometimes people do have writer's block and inspiration block. You see me, Terror. And if you inform people, you know what I'm saying? This might be a one-off or one of them situations there. You see me, where, you know, that I have a writer's block or maybe I have an inspiration block on the day and I just happen to get the worst footage. So we also have to take the video with a grain of salt. You see me, this could be one of them worst moments in the boot and we just see it, so we think say, yo, this one is all the time. You know what I'm saying? So, and then in career still young, so we don't want to bash it out, but definitely all artists, every artist have to do better, bro. Yeah, man, no jokes. I mean,
that's
can do
like
better than this. Cause hold on to that. You're supposed to can do better than this. Cause wasn't that freestyle, Buster, brother? Isn't that weird? Hold on, no, me that me know. Either at me now. No, me see why Terror cuss you. No, man, everything. Hold on there. No, man. Bro, you bust off a freestyle or you're in a boot and can't find lyrics. Nah, man. That means say, boy Affy, dog. If it wasn't a freestyle, me say write it down. And based on if this is your true freestyle skills, brother, I mean say that right, boy Affy for years. He sounds so good, bro. Cause boy Affy was well put together. You know? Big Man thing was a good song. But we thought it was a freestyle. You know what I'm saying? We didn't say you come up with the whole thing on its spot, but we thought it was majority freestyle. You know what I'm saying? But Jaja. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You're not good. You're not good, dog. We think it's a freestyle, but say, brother, oh, you can't, you know, boot and you can't find lyrics. That's crazy.
I'm again, pick up, man, pick up. I'm not for with that. I made a full of cash.
Pick him up. Dig him up. I know if I dig up, dig up Big Stan career, cause I don't know, yo, World Boss just write it half, you know. World Boss just write, you more Terror than just write half a career, dog. You see me? Yeah, man.
I go to this one sitting at the tune and to watch his style.
Terror than do have links, you know.
Guys, It's time to ditch that nasty washcloth and get the body buffer.
New to the Manscaped collection is this body buffer.
The body.
But yeah, man. Pterodon do have links and connections in the game, so Jano, due to fuck them right now. Yeah, man.
Under the
do have
sense.
links and connection in the game, so right now, the man say, yo, he's one of the worst, bro. I'm pretty sure a lot of producers and probably not going to work with you. Or they're going to have producers and think they might take you under them wing and say, yeah, but then show you a thing or two. You never know, it can go both ways. Let's hope for the best still.
Yeah. Ready. Fucking up his street, I'm flipping up it. Again, I made a full of cash. Flipping up his street, I'm flipping up it. Cash, I made a full of back. Again. Yeah. Fucking up his street, I'm flipping up it. Cash, I made a. Again. Yeah. Flipping up his street, I'm flipping up it. Cash, I made a full of bands. Pick up.
Yeah, man.
It's
a normal thing
pick up
that is
still.
cool. A lot of people that don't mean this to. It's a normal thing. Punch in and punch out. You know what I'm saying? You pick up where you left off from. It's a normal thing, but it's how he's doing it, bro. Can't even make it to a full. You know what I'm saying? Full 2, 3, 4 bars before. You know what I'm saying? That's how artists will work. They probably have 3, 4 bars, and then they probably in a punch in again. But this, come on, Biggs. Biggs.
I don't know me as a.
It's probably one of the worst studio session. I never knew.
Again. Can't pick up.
People, we don't think about that one. Biggs. It's supposed to be the people, them artists, brother. The people, them boss, you know. John.
Watch, I made the full of bands. Watch, I you don't even. Wait for the tour. Ready. Full of bands. Watch, again. I made a full of bands. Watch, again.
Bro, for
Straight,
I'm watching
I
this,
made a
bro.
full of bands. Watch, and wait for the tour. Yeah.
Like, bro, the flow did it. The flow and the vibe did it. But nigga, you ain't finding the lyrics for shit.
Yeah, me like that.
Jaja.
Wait for the tour.
Bro, the beats in my choose.
12 grand fully tank, but I'm not 12 grand fully V8 tank. I 30 grand no answer, but me exaggerate right there, but them I know.
Fake chain that, bro.
Say exaggerate.
Bro, that.
Exaggerate. 30 grand fully V8 tank. No, 30 grand, 12 grand. 12 grand, 30 grand, 10 grand. Yeah, easy one them, you know? 30 grand, 40 grand. 10 grand fully tank, 30 grand fully tank. But I may exaggerate more than so like me don't know what me I say.
To be fair, all artists
50 grand full one car tank still just make it extra so.
And the first thing we at gas station.
A real tank, 30 grand fully tank, ready? That me I say. Watch a choppy dirty van V8 pan it all 30 grand fully tank. Do me, reach in your fish shoot. Ready now man.
fully tank. I gotta carry that jive, brother.
One come in.
Eh? John know people. Let me know one thing about the one day. That's was Pterodon right? Was he accurate about what he said about Big Zan and dancehall artists overall? Or was he going a bit too hard on Big Zan? Was it a bit too harsh? Did he should have eased it in a little more constructive criticism? What do you think about that one? Cause from the video that we saw, we can say, yo, that probably not talented, but you know, that's a normal thing. Punch in and punch out at the studio. What's not normal is how long, you know what I'm saying, this guy's taking to find lyrics and like at least 3 to 4 bars before you have to repeat or pick up. You know what I'm saying? You can't every 2-3 words, yeah. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah, man. Let me know what you think about that one. Pterodon, I feel like you could have, you know, given a little more constructive criticism, considering you're a producer and you're in the business for long. You know, I can give him a little more constructive and tell him what to do. But at the same time, you know, some people need to get called up on them bullshit for that better. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, it's how all about it's up to Biggs at this point and how him take this information. You see me? Him can either make it, you take it and use this to improve upon and become better, or he can take this criticism and, you know, make it break him. You know what I'm saying? Make it discourage him. It's all about him at that point. But Pterodon, from the way video time, I don't think Pterodon has ill intent. But I just think like him say the video and title the video where to grab Biggs' attention. That's what I think. I give Pterodon the benefit of the doubt. You don't know. You see me? That's what I think them. I think Pterodon have good intention. Pterodon actually love the culture and him love the music. You see me? So yeah, I give Pterodon the benefit of the doubt pan that one. You know, I'm thinking of good intention. Biggs hope he rise to the occasion, dog. Remember say you are the people and boss you. You was the people's artist. So it's up to you to level up and rise to the occasion, my G. You see me? So, but everybody wish everybody the best in them career and hopefully everybody reach the best thing can be the best thing can be. You see me, people? Let me know anything but I wanna definitely drop the comments in the comment section. Definitely go show the artist some love and support. Definitely go show Pterodon some show make you say Jambisco send you. You don't know what time it is. Yeah, man, I make him know say if he give you that interview there. Yeah, but anything you don't know I go on. It's your boy Jambisco is here. Back with another hit and a smash and a banger, guys. I don't know. Till next time, guys, definitely hit me up. Let me know what you want me to react to next. I'll get it done. Drop the comments in the comment section. You already know what time it is. Guys, check out the shorts section. Check out the community tabs. I got dope stuffs over there. Dope videos that you guys want to see. I got dope posts. So stay tuned. You in tune to the latest reaction one-man podcast on YouTube. Trust me, guys. That won't be disappointing. Enough entertainment, enough information. I know for years to come. You see me, dog, so do yourself a favor. Hit that subscribe button. You don't know. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.